What's up everyone, this is Julia and welcome to this channel. So guys, if you didn't know, English isn't my first language, so I learned it when I was a kid and I still learn it. You know, this is a long process. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you one tense in English, and this tense is present simple. This is the main tense, I think, in English, and it is that tense which people start to learn when they start learning English. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to write in the comments what is your English like. So let's go. Okay, so present simple. We use present simple to talk about habits, routines, and repeated actions. Let's start with a positive, yes? With the positive sentences. What is the construction of present simple? Okay, so we start with the subject, then we have to add the main verb in infinitive form or with the ending s, es, or ies. And there is ending in infinitive form with the pronouns such as I, you with they, and the ending s, es, or ies with the pronouns he, she, or it. For example, we go to school, or he goes. Moving on to the negative form. Here is the construction of negative sentence in present simple and how do we build it. Okay, here's the subject plus don't or doesn't plus main verb in infinitive form. So here we have don't or doesn't, and when have we used them? You have to use don't with the pronouns I, you with they, and doesn't with the pronouns he, she, it. For example, they don't watch movies. He doesn't watch movies. And questions. Look at the construction. Do or does plus subject plus the main verb in infinitive form. And you have to use do with the pronouns I, you with they, and does with the pronouns he, she, it. For example, do they speak English? Does she speak English? And now, how to understand is there present simple in a sentence? Adverbs of frequency can help you. If there are adverbs of frequency, that means that there are has to be present simple. And there are such adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never. For example, I often listen to music. Adverbs of frequency can help us to say how often we do something. As you can see, these are repeated actions. So thanks a lot guys for watching. Please give this video a big old thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Write in the comments if I forgot something, and I'm so sorry because I tried. So thank you for watching again and see ya. Bye.